Do I want Oxy? Oh, wait, that sounds wrong. Moving on. So I'm going to be comparing Claremont McKenna, which is also known as CMC, and Occidental College, which is also known as Oxy. So going over the basic stats, CMC has an acceptance rate of 10.3% for its regular decision and a 25% acceptance rate for its early decision, while Oxy has also a really competitive 37% acceptance rate and 47% early decision acceptance rate. Both of these schools look for students that are high achievers, so it means a 3.97 and a 3.64 average unweighted GPA for their admitted freshman class, and the really high SAT scores in the range of around 1300 and 1400 for their middle 50 percentile admitted students. Something that's special about both of these schools is that they're both liberal arts colleges, and what that means is um, liberal arts colleges are schools that focus more on a generalized, well-rounded education. So you'll be taking classes like math and philosophy to broaden and deepen your knowledge of all of your subjects. It's similar to high school in a sense where instead of just focusing on your intended major, whether it be like engineering or finance or biology, you take a broad, a wide variety of different subjects. And as with most liberal arts colleges, both of these schools have a really small student body, with Claremont McKenna having a population of 1,300 and Occidental having a population of 2,000. Both of these schools, um, with that small student population, and have small student to faculty ratio. As you can see with these numbers, Claremont McKenna has an 8 to 1 student to faculty ratio, and Occidental has a 10 to 1 ratio, which is great because then you get to know your professors better and you're not um, all in big lecture halls for all of your classes, unlike in normal big state universities. And this is shown because Claremont McKenna, in 80% of their classes, you have less than 20 kids in that class, and in Occidental, over 70% of classes have less than 20% of kids. Um, what's special about Claremont McKenna is that it's within the Claremont Consortium, or better known by the 5 Cs. These 5 Cs consist of Pomona, Harvey Mudd, Scripps, Pitzer, and of course CMC. Also, each one of these colleges specializes in particular fields. So Harvey Mudd, for example, specializes in engineering. Scripps is an all-women's college, and CMC is known for their strong business and finance and econ programs. So, and so basically, these are 5 sister colleges that share the same resources and dining halls, or you can even take classes from a different sister college. And that's great because all of these colleges are small liberal arts colleges, but if you combine the resources and everything they have to offer, it's almost the same as a large state university. What's unique for Occidental is it's located um, in the Eagle Rock community in Los Angeles. I didn't talk about it for Claremont McKenna, but Claremont McKenna is located in Claremont, which is a college town, which is approximately 30 minutes from LA, whereas Occidental, obviously being in the Eagle Rock community, which is in the eastern side of LA, it's uh, directly, it's in LA. And so the top picture isn't a picture of the Eagle Rock community. The bottom picture is, but the top picture is a picture of downtown LA, and the bottom picture is a picture of Eagle Rock community. And so the great thing about being in LA is that you have all these internships and jobs available, thousands of them with because you're at a big city. And furthermore, LA is such a diverse, populated place, and that's a pro for a lot of people who are city people. And the last thing about both of these colleges is that they're both D3 schools. So if you're looking to be a student athlete, you can compete, and it's easier to walk on, and there's a better balance of being a student and an athlete at both of these schools relative to D1 school, where in a lot of cases you're forced to be an athlete first before a student. I'm glad I looked more into these two schools because they both almost perfectly fit what I want. And they're both either located in a major city or really close to a major city. They're both small colleges, and I mean, it's pretty cool knowing that Obama went to Occidental before he transferred to Columbia, and there's a lot of little things about these schools, and for example, like the Claremont Consortium that make them just amazing options.